I give my life to you so that you can use me. I am going more because where me digging my where more. Yes, where I dig me going more to maka. Yes, use me to your satisfaction. Father, use me, your Lord. I'm available. Jesus, come and use me. I am going more because we're me digging my. Hey. I'm available, Lord. Use me to your satisfaction. Where am Chuku, where am I? Where am Chuku, where am I? Where am Papa, where am I? Where am now, where am I? Use me to your satisfaction. Akai me uya nike koemo. Yeye koemo. Eremi edigima. Amara na chuku genyere maka. Yese ni kwabru ni nyere nu maka. Aluke Chineke ka yesiri mike. Enye mgowe mo biko were mi edigima. I give my life to you so that you can use me. Enye mgowe mo were mi edigima. This should be your desire all the time. Present yourself for the use of God. Ejim giyemonu, ejim getuonu, ejim ganyishinu watukubya werem. Yes, where me a mastrigi. Agai madugi makawai. I can never question my king. Enyem go mo biko where me a digging man. I present myself so that you can use me. I present my whole life, Father, use me. Chukume, Enyem go mo biko where me. Yes, where me digging ma. Let them go more because where me.